We are back to the shamba after the net has been fitted. This is how it looks. It has been done in such a way that on the top part is all covered, but underneath I can still see some spaces. However, on the inside all the crops are well protected and the birds can come in, especially from the top. If this is the first time you are watching my video or visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click the bell button to turn on the notification. Thank you. And within a space of just about a week, we can see some flowers. We can see some flowers and some new buds coming out, and especially the fruits which are there are right now protected. The net seems strong and it seems like it's doing its job as at now. So far with the timing that I've been here, I've not seen the birds trying to come in. Only one fruit, as I note, is what looks eaten, but that was from last week. The rest of the fruits seem healthy and whole. At least it shows that the net is working well. Now what to deal with is the water issue, because the soil looks so dry and the watering has not been done well. But at least the fruits are holding up very well. The yellowing leaves are dying and you can see new sprouts of green leaves coming up. As we look at the orange trees, we note that the drip lines are working well. At least the oranges are looking bigger and healthier, with watering being done once a week. Look at that, new buds coming up, and yet it's still a small plant. Wow, that's a big one. Looks very fresh. Looking at the rest of the shamba, looks very dry. We haven't managed to put up drip lines on that section. Here we see a few of the watered plants. They are trying to stand out, and we are hoping that at least they'll manage to stand out by themselves. The rest of the shamba still looks dry. Here it seems like there's no water which has been poured, and with the clouds we are hoping that at least the rains might fall down really soon. We started a new tomato nursery because we noted that we have an extra block, that is block 5, which might not have enough crops once we transplant. So just to be certain that we'll have enough, we created a new nursery. Piping work has already started to access water from the neighbor's borehole. It's quite a long way and we have to assess the distance between the house following the road so that we know the size of the pipe that will be required. Today is when we are trying to measure the length of the pipe that will be required, and by this we are following the channel which is being dug and where it will pass, just to make sure that all will be accounted for. Along the way, animals have been tied to the edges. Where the pipe will pass is a grazing area, But beyond that, the rest of the piping work is being done, and at least we are able to ascertain the length. It's been a very interesting journey, and at least we are hoping that through it all, we'll be able to get water back to the farm so that at least we can manage the farm very well. With water coming from the borehole, we will not be reliant on the rains. At least when they come, it will be an additional aspect for us. We will be hoping to get good crop harvest this time round. Follow us on this journey. We move together and see how much we can harvest this season. Thank you.